Howdy, and welcome to TBK Homeworld. And have you heard that Ryobi has come out with 30th anniversary tools? That's right, Ryobi or Ryobi, whatever you want to call them, they have come out with a 30th anniversary tool for this year. Now, officially, they're not supposed to drop until February. However, if you go and you bug your local Home Depot, you might be able to score one. We're going to put a code up on the screen now, and if you have them scan this with their scan tool, they might be able to find one in store for you. Just a few caveats with this. One, it is very limited stock right now per each store. Two, each store has discretion. If they want to sell you one, they can. If they don't want to, they don't have to, because technically these aren't released yet. Three, you cannot look these up in the inventory system that we all have access to. And if they manually punch in the code, it typically does not show up. It only works if you scan the barcode. Personally, I went to 4 different Home Depots in order to land my 30th anniversary drill. I'm extremely excited that I was able to pick one up, but 3 of the 4 stores literally got 0 in stock. So this is why I'm saying your mileage may vary on if you're able to pick these up. Now, the other ones that I have seen positive confirmation of is going to be a vacuum. A lot of us like to call it the old dust devil or the dirt devil. It's the style vacuum that you would use for your car back in the 80s and 90s for those of you who are older like myself. The other thing I have seen pictures of are saws. Circular saws are out there and they have this same style with them. I'm really excited that they have decided to come out with something like this. I do know that they had a limited edition in Australia, which I am still trying to get my hands on one of those. I really liked that color scheme. It was very, very nice. And it's extremely similar to this 30th anniversary. So enough talking about it. Let's go ahead and get into this box and see what's included. So this is the Ryobi 1 Plus HP line. This is model PSB-DD02KSB30. This kit is going to include the drill driver, charger, and 4 amp hour high performance battery. All of these are stamped with 30 years of compatibility on it. This is one of the most compact drills that Ryobi has ever come out with. It is 6.1 inches from the head of the chuck to the rear of the tool. There's 24 positions on the 1/2 inch clutch. As always, this comes with a 2-speed gearbox. It has a maximum of 450 inch-pounds worth of torque, or that's 50.84 Newton meters, and it can go from 0 to 1700 RPM. And of course, it comes in the 30-year all-black paint scheme. Now, if you're a Ryobi nerd like I am, you will definitely want to keep this nifty little poster that they include with it. It looks like it's one of their typical brochures that comes with, but it is not. It is a 30th anniversary poster, and on the back we have the line starting with the old blue, moving to the current edge technology all the way down. This is really, really cool. I like that Ryobi did something like this. It definitely gives a nod to all of the people who have been dedicated to this tool company for so long. Now, as mentioned, this is going to be the 4 amp hour high output battery. These are definitely the ones that you want with the HP brushless tools, and you will see that it has 30 years compatibility logo on here. I love that they did this, and what's really, really cool is they did it with the chargers as well. So you get that stamped on the charger, and that is really, really cool. Now, it is a sticker that is on here. It's not molded within the body, but it is a higher quality sticker like they typically put on these systems. And then for the drill, this is extremely compact. This is a much smaller drill to fit in those tight areas. And I really, really appreciate not only the color scheme, but also the minimal amounts of the typical Ryobi green put on here. They have it for the selector switch for forward, reverse, and of course they're going to have it on the gear selector if you want it on high or low. And down here at the base, we have 30 years of compatibility logo on the base as well. Now, one of the other really cool things as far as a green accent, the blower fan that is in the rear of this that is actually going to be cooling the motor is the Ryobi green as well. So it's just the little itty bitty nuanced touches to show that it's still a Ryobi tool, but it is very toned down from the standard bright green that we're all used to. Now with this drill, we can flip it up. We see that there is no connectors on the rear of this system, so it is not going to be using the entire performance of this 4 amp hour high output battery, but this is a brushless drill nonetheless. It just doesn't require the same horsepower to run this as, say, their really large hammer drill. And that is something to note with this drill. This is not a hammer drill. This is just a straight drill driver. That's all that this is going to do for you. Gotta love that. Same battery, 30 years of compatibility. That's why they came out with this special drill, and I love it. Functions like every other Ryobi drill that is out there. Very smooth with the trigger pull, very easy to change the clutch. Very typical of the clutch system as well. We do have a lanyard spot on the rear, and unfortunately, the one thing I wish they would have done for this drill is I really wish that they would have done the old school built-in bit holders on the base or on the sides. Now, this is a drill that you can put on their cradle system that goes around the rear of it, so you can have bits held on that way, and it also has the magnetic tray that is on there. Interestingly enough, we've tried that system here at the house. While I appreciate the ingenuity with that, it doesn't work for us. It's not our particular preference, but I do like the ingenuity. It's pretty smart, and a lot of people out there really love those things. Now, the other thing you'll see that this doesn't come with is belt clips. There is no belt clip that comes back here, and there is no lanyard on it either. And if you are one of those people who has one of the really old blue Ryobi systems, you will remember that it used to come with a lanyard battery clip that would clip in down here, and then you could hang your drill. Well, obviously this didn't come with that either. You can pick those up. They do sell those on the website, so if it's something you're interested in, you can definitely still buy some of those. Now, as with most of the HP lines, whenever you activate the drill, you're going to get a work light. This work light stays on for roughly 15 seconds after you've let the trigger go. This is definitely an improvement from the old systems that didn't have any lights on it, and then through the years, some of them only activated whenever you pulled the trigger, and then eventually they've gone up to 15 seconds with these lights, and I love the longer run times on these. They really make it better for those of us who are doing different work and we have it in a darker location. These LEDs make a world of difference. Now, I know some folks out there, they look at this style battery and they say, oh, this is old and antiquated. Why doesn't it slide on? I don't actually prefer the slide on. I've been using it for quite a while now with different brand tools, and it's not my preference. I find this one a lot easier to insert and remove. This is a lot smoother than a lot of the Hercules that I have. Whenever you press that button on the front, it does not want to extract very smoothly at all, whereas all of my Ryobis are crazy simple to insert and remove. So I love that. And not only that, here's the amazing thing. If you have one of their original blue products, you can buy the latest battery. It doesn't matter if it's the regular, the high performance, or even the Edge, or if you want to go with a 1.5 amp hour all the way up to a 12 amp hour battery, they will all still work on their old blue gear. And I absolutely love that, because there are people out there who believe in repairing their tools, who believe in keeping their tools in good working condition. And there is a lot of blue Ryobi still out there being used today. Right this very minute, somebody out there is using an old blue Ryobi tool, and they work phenomenally well. And so I really appreciate that they have stuck with this for so long. And that means that folks like me are going to continue to come, because we can pick up an older tool, grab a new battery, and it still works. And some of you, I have even read the comments on some of my videos, you have the original NiCad batteries and you're still using those on the latest tools. And I find that stellar that you've been able to keep a NiCad battery up and running that long. Great job, by the way. So in February, these are officially going to drop. These are the rumors that I keep on hearing. So make sure that if you're interested in something like this, you go to your local Home Depot as soon as you can to pick some up especially during the big February sale. As they come out with more products, we'll be trying to announce it and let everybody know what's going on with the different products that they are coming out with. Real quick shout out to everybody over there at Ryobi and TTI that they are still keeping with this style. And thank you very much for giving a nod to all of us consumers who love these products. And you came out with something that's really cool for the 30th anniversary of this battery type. I can't wait to see what you do at the 40-year, 50-year, and even the 60-year anniversary of this battery type. And yes, I hope it sticks around for that long and even longer. Hey, for everybody who's new to the channel, I don't know if you've seen it yet, but we did a really cool review of the C&V Pro Night Vision binoculars. If you're interested in the video, the link will be in the description on the review for that. However, you have a chance of winning this. The Sigmund team has teamed up with TBKHomeworld. We're really excited for it. And if you're interested in a chance to win these, check out the link in the description below for all of the details. Thank you very much for coming along this really cool video, and I am so thankful that Ryobi has come out with something like this for the 30th anniversary. That's really cool. Thank you very much for watching. We appreciate that you stuck all the way through the video and you're here all the way at the end. Be sure to go ahead and let us know below what you think about this line, and more importantly, I would love to know what you have been able to pick up that is in this new color scheme. I know about the drill, but I always love confirmation of other products that are out there. So what have you been able to pick up? What have you been seeing pictures of? Let me know in the comments below. And as always, we try to showcase one comment at the end of every video. Amazing comments like this one. Thank you very much for leaving that comment. Remember, keep your tools sharp and your batteries charged, and we will catch you on the next one.